Hey everybody, it's Todd from Todd and Judy's Travels, and I wanted to explain what I was trying to do from explaining from the airport to getting downtown Munich, but I really screwed up with the instructions. I did take some videos, so I'm going to kind of tell you what I was trying to do, and so when you look at the video, you kind of understand, and maybe it'll be helpful for you. So today we got in from Munich this morning, and usually you just go straight into the terminal. This time we had to take a bus. Which was unusual, but it was no big deal. Went through passport control, got our luggage, and boom, we were right outside. So after that happens, if you're going to go downtown to the central station or a place similar to that, then you need to take a train to get there. I mean, you can take a taxi or Uber, but it's going to be very expensive because the airport is a long way from Munich. So what I was trying to show you was when you get in there and you're looking for the train station, you'll see an S in a green circle, which is the S-Bahn. Excuse me, and that's the one you need to take, and that'll take you in a second. I'll tell you where it takes you. But it'll take you downtown. It'll take you to all different places in Munich. So what I was going to show you, and you'll see, is there's a kiosk I went to, and you can buy just a ticket straight to Munich, and that's all it is, one-time trip, but it's not very cost-effective if you're going to do some more travel in the same day. So when you get to the kiosk, you can see on the bottom there's different languages, so you don't have to speak German or read German. You can just press on to the Great Britain flag, the English flag, and it'll obviously be all in English. And so what I recommend is, if you look, what I pressed to is something called MVV in blue, and that is a basically all-around ticket to 6 o'clock the next morning, which will take you all the way to Central Station. It takes about 45 minutes. But then you can use that the rest of the day on streetcars, more underground, or the S-Bahns. You can use it unlimited until 6 o'clock that morning. So when you get to from there, then you just kind of look for after you get the kiosk, and you can pay with cash, the euros, or you can use credit cards. We generally just use credit cards, but you need the chip, because in Europe, if you don't have that chip, the authentication chip in your credit card, it won't take it. So again, you can use either one. So you look for the S-Bahn, and then it'll tell you. It'll be the number S. It'll be either S1, S-Bahn, or S8. The difference is basically they both go to Central Station, but they go different directions as far as the circle. One goes one direction, that goes the other, makes all the stops. So it's about the same. The S1 may be a tad quicker than the one which is over S8. But they both go to the same place, so you can take either one of those. So that's kind of how you get around getting downtown Munich from the airport. So again, just look for the signs, the S-Bahn. Go to the kiosk. It's very easy. Do the English translation, buy your ticket, use that MVV, which I want to point out that it's good for 5 people. It's 24 euros for the day. It's just my wife and I, so it was 24 euros. 2 of us get to use it, but it will be. You can use up to 5 people with it if you're all traveling at the same time. That's excellent, excellent value. And so what I always try to say is, when you're in a country and you're trying to learn about it, what locals do, try to travel like the locals do. I mean, the easy thing is call an Uber or get a taxi, but in Munich's case, that's a long way away, so it's going to be very expensive. And then once you get there, if you want to do any more transportation, it's going to cost you extra. That's why I said take that one pass that says MVV, because then it'll give you unlimited, basically, travel within Munich, whether you're in underground, the S-Bahn, or the trams. So I think that's great value. Sorry I didn't do a better job for you on the movie. So when you see it now, you'll better understand what I was trying to accomplish. I'll see you later. Here we are at the Munich airport. I'm going to show you a way to use the train system to get to the central station. So follow along. these are the where you get the tickets at. Just find you one that works. They have them in English. Goes you to the train station. There's the group pass here. And it's €24, and this pass will take you to the central station, and you can use all the trains and the streetcars and everything all the way until 6 o'clock the next morning, and this is good up to 5 people. And then you pay right over here, which I'm going to do. Then we go to the S-Bahn this way. Here's a picture of the S-Bahn. It's going to take us downtown. About 45 minutes to the central station. Very clean. Big. Just back there.